Welcome to another Spanish video, but today is a bit different. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of comprehensive input, which is going to be great for your listening skills and your communication skills. This is something I'm trying, I'm testing, so if you do like it, please let me know in the comments so I know whether or not I should make more of this. If you don't like it, you don't need to do anything because YouTube will let me know. Don't worry. And we're going to be talking about this, the phone. El móvil. We call it móvil because it can move. Móvil means movable, something that moves. In America, they say el celular, the cell phone. And hopefully you'll learn some vocabulary and some phrases related to the telephone, like what we call each of the parts of the telephone, or phrases like I need to charge my phone, or I hope you don't need this one, but if you travel to Barcelona, you might. My phone got stolen. Yeah, lately we have some issues with that. So if that's something that is interesting to you and you want to try it, let's start. Vamos a ver algunas partes del teléfono. Let's see some telephone parts. Por ejemplo, alrededor del teléfono tenemos una carcasa. Carcasa. Around the phone we have a case. Carcasa. La carcasa sirve para proteger el teléfono si se nos cae. The case is to protect the telephone in case we drop it. See that we say se nos cae, like it falls from us. In Spanish we use this se to say that we don't drop the phone falls from us. It's not our fault. Spanish is very convenient that way. But we're not going to get into that, that's something for another video. But if you're wondering why se nos cae, that's the reason. We don't drop it, the phone falls from us. En la parte de atrás tenemos la cámara, bueno, la lente o el lente y una luz LED. On the back side, la parte de atrás, tenemos la cámara, the camera, la lente, el lente, the lens, y una luz LED, LED light. We don't say LED, we don't spell it, we say LED, luz LED. En la parte de delante, the front side, tenemos la cámara frontal y la pantalla. We have the front camera frontal y la pantalla, the screen, the display. La pantalla lleva un protector para que la pantalla no se raye. The screen has a protector so that the screen doesn't get scratched. Rayarse, to get scratched. Again, we don't scratch the screen, it gets scratched. Se raya itself. Para desbloquear la pantalla, hay varios métodos. To unlock the screen, there are several methods, several ways. Desbloquear, to unlock. Un método es el escáner facial, escáner de cara. One of the methods is the facial scanner, face scanner. Este no funciona porque no es mi teléfono. This one doesn't work because it's not my phone. Este teléfono es de mi mujer. This phone is my wife's, as you probably could tell by the case and decoration of the phone. But my phone is a mess, so I didn't want to show it. Otro método para desbloquear el teléfono, another method to unlock the phone, es el lector de huellas dactilares. The fingerprint reader. Lector, reader, de huellas dactilares. Huellas dactilares is fingerprints. Fingerprints reader. El lector de huellas dactilares a veces funciona con un botón. The fingerprint reader sometimes works with a button. O en la pantalla, or on the screen. A veces necesitamos usar el dedo pulgar. Sometimes we need to use the thumb, pulgar. En la pantalla o en un botón. On the screen or on a button. El mío no funciona. I don't know what she's hiding from me. Si eso no funciona, if that doesn't work, siempre podemos, we can always, deslizar el dedo por la pantalla. Swipe the finger across the screen. Deslizar, to swipe. E introducir la contraseña. And input the password. Contraseña, password. Introducir, to input, to put in. Deslizo, I swipe. Y contraseña. La contraseña sí la sé. The password I know. Or maybe not. Sí. En el teléfono tenemos muchas aplicaciones. On the phone we have a lot of apps. Algunas muy útiles y otras no tanto. Some are very useful, some are not that much. En la parte de arriba, on the top, podemos ver la hora, we can see the time, notificaciones, notifications, alarmas, alarms, la cobertura, the signal, y el nivel de batería, the battery level. Para bloquear el móvil, apretamos o presionamos un botón. To block the phone, para bloquear el móvil, presionamos, apretamos, we press a button, un botón. Este está en el lateral. This one is on the side. En el otro lado, on the other side, tenemos botones para subir el volumen o bajar el volumen. On the other side, we have buttons to turn up the volume or lower the volume, turn down the volume. Y en la parte de abajo tenemos los puertos, the ports. Aquí tenemos un puerto USB tipo C, USB Type-C, y también tenemos un micrófono y un altavoz, a microphone and a speaker. Este teléfono no tiene puerto para auriculares. This phone doesn't have a port for earphones. Now, things we can do with a telephone. Podemos llamar, we can call. Podemos enviar mensajes, we can send messages. Podemos ver videos, we can watch videos. Podemos escuchar música, we can listen to music. Podemos mirar las redes sociales, we can look at social media. Podemos mirar correos, we can check email. Podemos usar el GPS y los mapas, we can use the GPS and the maps. Podemos incluso pagar, we can even pay. Podemos hacer de todo, we can do everything. Now let's see some phrases we can use related to the phone. For example, if you need to borrow somebody's phone, can I borrow your phone? ¿Me dejas tu teléfono, por favor? Or, I need to make a quick call. Necesito hacer una llamada rápida. I need to send a message. Necesito enviar un mensaje. I just need to check something. Solo necesito mirar una cosa. Now, if you're running out of battery, you can say, me queda poca batería. Or, me estoy quedando sin batería. I'm running out of battery. Do you have a Type-C charger? ¿Tienes un cargador tipo C? Or do you have an iPhone charger? ¿Tienes un cargador de iPhone? If you are at a bar or a coffee shop and you want to ask, where can I charge my phone? ¿Dónde puedo cargar mi teléfono? Or if you are in a place where you have no signal, no tengo cobertura. When you travel to another country and you need a SIM card, necesito una tarjeta SIM. Normalmente de prepago, prepaid. And I hope you never need this one. But if somebody steals your phone, me han robado el móvil. Or if you lose it, he perdido el móvil. He perdido el teléfono. Alright, let me know if you understood most of the things I said and what you think about this kind of content and this kind of format. And if you liked it, please consider subscribing and liking the video so it can reach more people. If you have any questions or any comments, you know what to do. Leave them below and I will see you in the next one. Hasta luego!